If your windshield is streaky, greasy, or blinding you at night, you're probably not cleaning it properly. And a dirty windshield isn't just annoying, it's a safety issue that can lead to accidents or worse. In this video, we'll show you how to clean your windshield the right way and get that perfect crystal clear view. Let's get to it. If you regularly clean your windshield, your favorite glass cleaner and a microfiber towel will do the job. But if your windshield is really dirty and hazy, this won't cut it and you'll just smear everything out and leave streaks everywhere, which is super frustrating. That stubborn, greasy haze is caused by airborne contaminants, moisture, and the off-gassing of all the materials in your car's interior, like plastics and rubber. To remove that greasy haze, you can use isopropyl alcohol or water with dish soap. And there's two things you should do to make things easier. The first is to lower your steering wheel if you can so you have extra room to work with. The second tip is to cover your dashboard with a large towel. If you don't, you might end up with discolored spots from the cleaning products dripping on the dash and soaking in the material. What you then want to do is put some isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber towel and work it in. Make sure you don't miss a spot. When cleaning your windshield, it's best to first clean the outside so you can see the smudges on the inside better, which we'll show you in a separate video. And make sure you're not doing this in the hot sun. Otherwise, your products will dry up too quickly. Our windshield is very flat, which makes cleaning easy. However, if you have a more slanted windshield, you can try one of three things. Instead of trying to clean with your microfiber towel in the palm of your hand, which can be uncomfortable for your shoulder, elbow, and wrist, wrap it around the back of your hand and fingertips like so, and hold it with your thumb. This makes it a lot easier to clean hard-to-reach spots. Another common method is to sit backwards in your car and clean behind you. Although depending on how much room you have in your car and how tall and flexible you are, this might not be as easy as it seems. You also can't really see what you're doing, which doesn't help either. So do yourself a favor and get one of these windshield cleaner tools with a microfiber pad that can easily clean the hardest to reach spots. We'll put a link to it in the description under the video so you can easily find it. Isopropyl alcohol is the easiest method, but you can also use water and dish soap because dish soap has great degreasing properties as well. Put some in a spray bottle and spray it on the windshield, or use a bucket and wring out your microfiber towel. We actually prefer to use a microfiber sponge, but it works exactly the same. Work the entire windshield and make sure you don't miss a spot. You want to go over everything a couple of times and give it a good scrub. Then grab a dry microfiber towel and wipe everything off. Repeat the same process for the other half as well. It's best to do one half at a time so the product doesn't dry on the windshield before you're done. Depending on how greasy your windshield is, you might want to do this a second time. Next, grab your favorite glass cleaner and spray it on your windshield. But instead of using a regular microfiber towel to work it in, this time you want to use a diamond weave microfiber towel because it's specifically designed to clean glass and does not leave lint. Once you start using this for glass, you'll never want anything else. It works amazing. Then once again, work the product in and make sure you don't miss a spot. If you're using invisible glass like we are, you don't even need a dry microfiber towel to wipe excess product off because it dries quickly without leaving streaks. We'll put a link to all the products we used in the description under the video so you can easily find them. And now you have a crystal clear, streak-free windshield. And if you want to know how to prevent your windows from fogging up, check out our other video in the description below. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.